Hi there, my name is Mike. Let's talk about some of the things specific to welding operations. Welding is hot work, and that comes with several additional safety considerations. It is important because failing to take the proper precaution can cause harm to you, our equipment, and the environment. Hot work is any operation involving an open flame, heating of materials, welding, acetylene cutting, and any spark-causing activity. Before you start welding, unplug the welder and inspect the power cord, ground wire, and lead for cuts, exposed wires, and damage. Defective equipment must be repaired by qualified team members. Ensure the gas bottle is secured to the welder. Always wear a welding helmet and FR gloves while performing any kind of welding task. Always position welding screens to protect others from welding flash. Inspect the work area and remove flammable materials. Do not forget that the drawings that you are working from will burn. Route the MIG welder power cord, ground wire, and lead in such a way to protect them from being burnt by the weld being performed. If an extension cord was required to reach the workpiece, unplug it and coil it up out of the way so it will not be a trip hazard. The only default approved hot work areas are the welding bays and final area bays. Hot work conducted outside of an approved hot work area must have a hot work permit submitted and approved by the safety department. When welding or other hot work creates conditions where normal fire prevention precautions are not sufficient, a designated fire watch shall be on duty to guard against fire. Fire watches are to be provided for a sufficient period of time after completion to ensure that no possibility of fire exists. Fire watch team members will be instructed in fire hazards, use of firefighting equipment, and trained in proper emergency response communication protocols. Employees shall be instructed in the safe use of fuel gases by their supervisors. Cylinder valves should be opened slowly to prevent regulator damage. Properly functioning regulators are required for all fuel gas cylinders. Close cylinder valves prior to removing regulators. Fuel gas and oxygen manifolds shall be appropriately labeled. Fuel gas and oxygen manifolds shall be located in well-ventilated and easily accessible locations. Manifold hose connections shall be configured so that fuel gas and oxygen cannot be improperly connected. When not in use, manifold and header hose connections shall be capped. Fuel gas hose and oxygen hoses shall be easily distinguishable from each other. Hoses shall be inspected at the beginning of each work shift. Defective hoses shall be removed from service. Hoses subject to flashbacks or damage shall be tested to twice the normal working pressure or 300 psi, whichever is more. Hoses, cables, and other equipment shall be kept clear of passageways, ladders, and stairs. Clogged torch tip openings shall only be cleaned with appropriate cleaning tools that are designed for such purpose. Torches shall be inspected at the beginning of each working shift. Defective torches shall not be used. Torches shall be lit by friction lighters only. Only proper electrode holders that are capable safely handling anticipated currents shall be used. Current carrying parts shall be properly insulated. Employees performing any type of welding, cutting, or heating shall be protected by suitable eye protective equipment in accordance with the requirements of 29 CFR 1926, Subpart E, and shall wear fire retardant clothing. Tack welding without eye protection is strictly forbidden. Good luck and stay safe.